Chris at Dentless Touch. We just touched 25,000 subs. It was almost yesterday that I was standing here talking to you guys and congratulating you guys on the 15,000 subs. Well, now we've hit a new milestone. That's 25,000 subs. This is a goal that I touched that I wanted to reach for the end of 2019, and we're a few months ahead. So in honor of that, I want to give away 2 lights, or 1 light. You get to choose between either, and it's the 14-inch Aluminum Dent version 3.2, whichever version he has out, fully loaded. It will come with the automatic suction cup. Or you get the option of the Stucky light. Hopefully this is, the Stucky light. This is, I believe, his 18-inch light, standard with the battery pack and all that good stuff. Pretty much the full kit. So you get either or, whichever one you do prefer. And let me know. Now, if you're out of the country, I would just send you the cash value, and you can just get it with any distributor that sells either light. So that's pretty much it. Now, the giveaway will be administrated through the link below, so you have to click on the link to enter. So please don't forget that. I think you just have to be a subscriber of the channel, subscriber of my YouTube, of my Instagram, stuff like that. Anyway, thanks guys, thanks for supporting the channel. Congrats for you guys, 25,000 subs. Congrats to my team, 25,000 subs. Again, new milestone, 35,000 this year. Please help me support by sharing and liking and commenting on the videos, guys. Much love, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.